Maraming salamat, Lyra. And nakikita natin, no? Ang Batangas City, each and every game, that maturity.
You know, for him to come back and to be joining his brothers here in Batangas, I'm sure he is pretty excited. Ganun din ang pakiramdam nito mga kanyang mga kaibigan.
Running start for AJ Miranda. Can't finish through traffic. Tolentino slips the screen. MJ against King. Cut inside Miranda. Great backdoor cut for the reverse. Abdul Sawat at the corner. Steps back. Jumper over Naive. And he hits it. Comboy. Drives baseline. No look pass. Mark Cruz turns around. Jumper trickles in. Relentless on the pursuit for the rebound was Ino Comboy. Comboy sumubok ulit sa tres. Yes!
And they are 1 out of 4 inside the paint.
Giab, nakalusot. Lays it in traffic. Ino drives. Gets it to Rin William Bing. Jumper over Grix Ramos is good. Ablaza hands it off to Craniel Viloria. Balik kay Seth Ablaza. 5 segundo sa shot clock. Cut by Comboy. Lays it in.
Has given a lot of lift, especially nung switchable 5 ni Coach Cholo. Really spelled the difference.
AJ Miranda found the angle.
That time a little confusion on the defensive end on that drive by AJ Miranda.
Comboy nakawala. Challenging the defense of AJ Miranda. He scores plus the foul. Yambing goes up strong but well defended that time by May Kawayan. Argente may pektos pa doon sa layup na yun.
Working wonders in games that they played.
Ablaza puts it up and puts it in. Unilarim barely crossing the timeline pero naagawan ni AJ Miranda. AJ no good. Blows the layup on a 2-on-1 situation. Yambing catch and shoot 3. Book it. Miranda pressured by the reigning, the season 6 MPBL Defensive Player of the Year, and they come away with a steal. Question is, can they convert on this end? Nakawala si Apolonio, he will score. Nagmamadali si MJ. Nakuha pa. Onilarim from beyond half court.